Welcome, friends. The following presentation is a heartfelt production by Nelunika Gunawardena Rajapakse. It has been thoughtfully prepared to heal humanity at the level of the grassroots, the child and the family. The child stands eagerly to receive affection and attention from his foremost elders, the parents. He follows the footsteps of his parents for the better or for the worst. It is the parents' call of duty to make a worthwhile difference in the life of the child. Our world, through the child, cries out loud for help. Engaged parenting, indeed, as a help to life, is our wake-up call in reverent service to the child. I urge you to please act with heedfulness to this dire need, to inform and equip your child with wholesome nature. This is a special thank you in advance for your kind attention and consideration to the following presentation. It is gratefully appreciated. Hello, dear parents and friends of the world. I am Nelunika Gunawardena Rajapakse. Welcome to our world of glorious wonders. Nature's transient patterns are manifestations of life in each infinite present. They are poignant reminders of deeper truths that continue to be unveiled through life if and when we pay attention. They are space-time events that relate to our very existence. Nature's transient patterns. This is a heartfelt production to heal humanity. How may I explain the loss of a dear one to my child? What are the implications or perhaps ramifications of letting my child accompany me to a wake? Transience is impermanence. The disappearance of someone very dear to the family can most certainly have an impact on your young child. A wonderful way to help would be to walk him into nature, initiating a conversation that leads to a lasting impression. Change, the presence of life. You may begin by saying, "Look at this leaf," while pointing to a fallen leaf on the ground. It is still fresh and beautiful. It may have just fallen off the tree. Earth, the ground of transformation. Mother Earth has a special way of loving and embracing all of life. She, Mother Earth, says, "Welcome to a new home. In this home, you will find all kinds of wonderful things happening, so you are not alone." patterns of change. Mother Earth says, "Hello, leaf. Please smile with your other pretty colors. How about a little yellow, a little orange, and a little brown, so that the woolly bear may rest by you?" Nature's defenses. Maybe the woolly bear would say, "I'd like to take on your appearance too, my friend." The woolly bear will assume the colors that the leaf wears. Then we say, "Oh, it has camouflaged." Earth's nature is to nurture. Mother Earth never rests. She's at work all the time, giving new energy to everything, tirelessly and ceaselessly, while also changing the way things appear to us, from moment to moment. Invisible transformation. Sometimes we do not notice the changes at once. But if we wake up in the morning and look at them, we know that something magical has happened. The field of all possibilities. We call this transformation. Now, don't you think transformation is an interesting word? It means to convey to us the process of change and formation. This is, in fact, the way of life. Earth Mother, the incubator. So the leaf, from being green to yellow to orange to brown to being curled up, will be quietly absorbed into Mother Earth's cozy home of warmth, to be transformed again as compost or food, as energy for the tree. Now you know, energy is indestructible. It is almost as if the leaf said, when it fell to the ground once, "Don't you worry, I'll be back in the spring." Keep in mind, birth and death of processes are just two phases of transformation. Recurrent change is life. In this manner, a child may be helped to understand that life means transformation all the time. In no two moments is life static. Nature reveals reality. This is a great awareness that we may impress upon the child, and having continued to do so, you will have conveyed to a young mind the message about what has happened to someone very dear to the family. Childhood innocence. Your child under 6 years of age is not equipped with a logical mind. Therefore, his power of reasoning may be minimal or may not be developed at all. Reality of the five senses. Being that the child absorbs knowledge with hands-on life experience, the story of the leaf during a walk into nature will set the tone for the absorption of an idea and the assimilation of truthful knowledge. Coping with impermanence. However, An event in life such as a wake has the potential to create an unrestful state of mind in the child. It is disturbing enough to lose a dear one, and difficult indeed for us as adults to come to terms with our loss. Save the memory of vitality. To top it all, the child will undoubtedly sense the agitation and emotional turmoil felt within the family. Do we really need to cause any further confusion in the mind of a child by taking him to a wake? The reasoning intelligence. I believe a child may be ready to be reasoned with somewhat when his imaginative, analytical, and discriminating mind is in operation after 6 years of age. It is my conviction that a child of this phase will be more capable of handling a wake. Secrets to life lie in nature. In any time of grief, a communion with nature attests to being the most well-suited form of solace and pacification for both adult and child. Nature reveals transience in myriad ways. We ourselves belong to nature. The parallels we draw from nature's patterns of impermanence will only enable the adult together with the child to grow with heightened awareness with regard to universal energy in transformation. If you derived a benefit from this presentation, please share it with another precious family. Thank you.